Welcome students, and today we have the next class on data handling, and it is based on pivoting. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So basically what we were doing, Madhumita, we were doing different operations on data frames, right? Maybe adding, deletion, or merging, and so many operations. Now there's an advanced feature to it, and which is called pivoting. So pivoting is nothing but you know way of looking out the things. Basically different perspective. I am saying 6, you're saying 9, the number. So that's what it is. It's just basically, if you talk about no pivoting, is a summary or a technique that works on the tabular data. So what do you mean by that? Basically, when you try to rearrange your data, reshape, we generally call it reshaping. Why reshaping? Because we are changing rows to column and column to rows. Correct? So it's very simple, very easy work. It's only the style of writing and a new function which we are using. All right. So let us begin with our first data frame. Can you quickly create 3 dictionary items, maybe country, capital, and favorite cuisine or something like that?
Yeah.
Any 3 things you can use.
Ma'am, can I continue like here?
Yeah, here only.
Okay. Yeah.
If you want, you can write the definition of pivoting if you want, or
Yes.
you'll get the theory. So you can write, it is a technique. Pivoting is a technique which rearranges the data, which rearranges the data from rows and columns, from rows and columns by rotating the rows and columns, by rotating the rows and columns. The second way is doing it by aggregating. So you said that it's already not there in your syllabus, so we'll not put that in the definition,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Yeah.
So basically, it summarizes the data. It whatever the extensive data is available. It gives a popular, or you can say a what do you call is like a tabular format, proper format. So that's what we will be doing. Okay. So we were doing what? Yes. Can you represent the data in a data frame, data structure of pandas? So how will you do? You'll put import pandas as PD, D1, give one dictionary where you have 3 things. It can be any 3 things of your choice.
Ma'am, can you tell like what can I write?
Okay. You can first write tutor.
Okay.
The first dictionary item will be tutor. And in the dictionary, we'll create one list. So you can give 5 tutor names,
Okay.
your school tutor or anybody. Whatever. Okay. Okay, 5 done. Asha, Veena, Jyoti, Venkat, Anusha, Mala. Okay. Anything will work. Okay. The next is classes. So list can be 28, 30, 40, 60, whatever you want to put. Give some numeric value. And third item can be countries or country. Which countries are they teaching? USA, Brazil, or whatever you like. Okay. And can you use it? I mean, can you print the data frame?
Yes. Yeah. Ma'am, it's fine.
Yeah, print.
Yeah.
Yes. Why it didn't came in the DF data frame style? What you forgot? This is like a series.
Oh yeah, ma'am. I
I
had to put
wanted.
PDF is equal to PD dot data frame.
Yes. Forgot everything.
Oh no.
No, it will be a new variable name, and
Oh
inside data frame will be D1.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, now change here. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is this much you already knew. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the new part which we are going to learn is once you have represented your data in this form, I want you to pivot it using the function pivot. And how do we do it? What is the syntax of that? We will write DFD, or yours is DF1, right?
Yeah.
DF1
Ma'am,
dot,
self or like
yes, next cell,
okay.
DF1 dot pivot, okay, bracket open. Now you will write index,
Okay.
okay, index equal to, so what does this index specify? It specifies the column which is to be treated as the index. That means which column you want to convert it as a row. So that's what they mean to say. So maybe you can write index equal to country. Country will come in quotes. Yeah. Okay. Comma columns. So here column
Ma'am,
become columns. See, first one index means who will become rows, and column specifies what? The columns values.
columns.
What you want to put in the columns. So maybe I want to put tutors. Say you can put equal to tutors. Okay. And the last one will be comma values. So see, index, columns, and values will always remain the same. Okay. The value, whatever you are putting inside the quotes, will keep on changing as per the data frame. Correct? So what are these? What does these values specify? These are specifying whose values you want to spread. Where you want to spread? Across the data frame.
Yes.
That means where you want the values, the inside values like Asha, Veena, Jyoti, Mala, Anusha, 20, 30, 40, 60, USA, all these. So now you will write classes. In the quotes, you will write classes. Right?
Yeah.
Now run and see the program. You have to print also. Wait.
Print.
DF1, yeah. DF1 or print DF1, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming.
What do you see now?
Ma'am, it's arranged in the 3 rows: tutor, classes, and country.
Yes. So now mostly people say, okay, they look the same. What is the difference? And all those. See, here the index has changed.
Yes.
If you observe carefully, there also it was 0 only. But where is the difference? I mean, what do you see as a difference over here? It is like it has sorted it in a perfect order.
And it's in a table format.
Yes.
Yes.
That is where the difference lies. Many people doesn't understand. Oh, ma'am, it is exactly the same. No, there's a small difference. And that's what I said initially, that you are summarizing, right? You are making it in the simplest form, right? To make the understanding of the data set easier. That's what we are trying to tell here.
Okay.
Right? So it is like what we said initially, looking the data from different perspective. Your up line or the above code is not looking that tidy. This is looking more tidy, neat and clean.
Yes.
Yes, that's what I'm doing over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so far so good.
Yes.
Correct?
Got it.
Now, this time what we will do is let us interchange the rows and the columns.
Okay.
And how will you do that?
Is it lock or?
Okay, what else?
Uh,
See, index is what? Rows and columns here. Before df1 equal to df1 dot. Now print df2, not df1. Yeah, now run. Yeah, see. And now go below. There also change it. Say df3. Just change it to df3 then. Let us see the difference. Below df3, print df3. Yeah, here df1 dot pivot. df1 dot pivot. Before pivot, the function is missing. No. df3 equal to df1 dot pivot.
okay.
Yeah. This is missing. Now run. Yeah. Now, but why it is not changing here and it is changing here? It is changed, na? See. Initially, it is showing Brazil, Japan, Russia, UK, and USA. And now what it is showing? Anusha, Asha. See, rows and columns have interchanged. Can you see the difference?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. What does this NaN represent? What do you mean by NaN?
It's not a number.
Yeah, but why are they showing NaN? I don't need that, right?
Yeah.
Why suddenly it is showing like this?
I haven't given the values.
Exactly, because you are saying that Brazil. See, when you see your data frame, what have you written? Just go up, little more up. See, you have written Asha is for the country USA. But when the rows and columns have interchanged, in USA she is teaching. In USA, who is teaching? Asha is teaching, right? But what about the other countries? There is no value. As you said, the values are missing. The values are not there. That is why it is NaN. NaN value. Does not exist. Missing values. Correct? That's what it meant to say. Right? So, is there an interchange of rows and columns? Do you see that? Hello? Am I audible?
Mom, you're there.
Yeah. Am I audible, Madhumita?
Yeah. It had got stuck in between. So.
Yeah. Okay. So now do you see the difference between rows and columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Can we do one more program just to understand how much have you understood or so?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want you to create how many? I want you to create 5 data frames: name, gender, the position, the city, the age, and the projects. 5 things. So create one data, make it in a data frame quickly. Then we'll do the problems using pivot and city and what all we have learned till now. Now we will, practice all of it. Let's see how much have you understood. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be like a practice also for you, and we'll have like how much you know. Okay. So the first thing is names.
Okay.
Give me 5 names.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, it's fine.
Why have you put this before J, a square
Oh,
bracket?
yeah, it's my mistake. Yeah.
Okay. Second is gender.
Okay,
Second is gender. So you can just put F or an M. No, I mean full. You don't need to put it. Quotes, quotes, quotes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Third is position, like manager or developer or like that you can put. Manager, programmer, or whatever you like.
Yeah. What else? No.
Same thing. See, we are trying to, like male, 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 and female. So that way, manager, programmer, manager, programmer, manager, or manager, programmer, programmer, like that.
Okay.
Or in between one, you can put developer, whatever you like.
Yeah.
5 done? No, 1. Okay.
Grammar.
Okay, programmer. Fine. Next, we'll write city.
Yes.
So maybe 1 or 2 cities you can name it same, and rest all you can change it. Bangalore, New Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, whatever you want to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next will be age. Age. So you can put some similar ages like 30 and 32, maybe nearby, or 1 or 2 little bit changed.
Ma'am, up to how many years?
Anything, whatever you.
Fine.
We are putting few similar so that we can, put it in one column or row when we will interchange and all. So that's why.
Yeah, ma'am. This is fine.
Okay. Next, the last one is projects. So give any numbers 13, 17, 15, 20 like that. Okay. Can you print it into a data frame form?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Print it.
Yes, just checking.
DF1 or print DF1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So now you see all of this has been created. Now,
Yeah.
can you tell me which is the index over here? Which one is the index? Suppose I want to summarize the information position wise.
Okay.
So position wise means position becomes your index.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. How many projects? So that will be the values which we will be taking. Like in the above thing, classes, we take it as values. Here we will take projects as the classes wala part.
Okay.
And columns we will take it city.
City. Okay.
So city is a column in the data frame whose value will become the columns. Correct? That's what we will do. Okay. Let us start writing. How we will write? First command will be import pandas as pd, numpy as np. So why are we taking numpy and all? Because it's like a matrix. So we are treating it because see numerical values are also there. That's why. Okay. All right. Now can you create a pivot table? Go very slow. I've told you what are index, what are columns, what are values. Try to write it on your own. Otherwise, I'll tell you. Looking from the above.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So that you have a clear picture. Yes. So you will create one new data frame.
Yeah.
Okay. The function will be
df dot pivot.
very good. df1 dot pivot. See,
df
your data frame is df.
dot pivot. Yeah.
Okay. Now you will tell me which is index, which is column, and which is values.
Index is the position.
Very good.
And
Hmm.
and what else you said? The
See,
columns.
go up and see the command. You can always see that.
Yeah, column. Columns is the city.
Okay.
And the
Values.
age.
Okay, you want to put age? I've taken projects. So whatever you want, you can. We'll try both. Okay, projects also and age also. Let's see what differences we'll see. Now print your DF2. Okay. See, what I did, I said index equal to position. That's why by the position it has been done. See, position, developer, manager, programmer.
Yeah.
If you change the index, the rows will become accordingly. You said
Okay.
columns will be city. Can you see Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Mumbai, New Delhi are the columns there?
Columns, yeah.
And obviously projects. So you just wanted the project values. So can you see
Yeah.
only 17, 18, 19, 20 and 15 has been allocated.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same command you can copy in the second one. Yeah.
Okay.
Same commands. Copy all the 11. Yeah. This thing, and instead of values, change it to age. And let's see then what happens. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now can you
Yes.
see? Instead of 17, what happened? 32,
42.
42. Now what came? These are numbers only. Then why this came? Because this is specifying age and one is specifying projects.
Projects, yeah.
If I want to interchange city and columns, in 12th only you can do it. City, I mean rows and columns. This is reshaping the data, right?
Yeah.
If I want to interchange, I don't want it according to the position. The index, I don't want it according to the position.
According to city.
Okay, according to city. And then columns will be position. Okay, now see what happens. What's the difference now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do you see? In the index, city has come. Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Mumbai, New Delhi. And in the columns, the positions have come. Developer, manager, programmer, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is only pivot. Very easy. You just have to remember these three things. Index, columns, and the values.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Right? One more thing. If I want to remove these nan values, you told me these are, missing values which are not present and all. So can you fill this with some different value, say 0 or something like that? Then what we will do in that case? Okay, I'll tell you. After age, after your age, no, after your bracket actually. Yes, after your bracket, dot fill NA. Dot fill NA. And if you don't write anything, it will automatically fill by 0. But if you want to fill some value, then in the small bracket, you can put 0. Open the bracket, put 0, close the bracket, and close the full bracket now. Yeah. Like this.
Oh, we actually don't have this function, this fill.
Okay. This function is not there for you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in case if it's not there, then we'll not discuss. Not a problem. But that's how it is. You just have to write fill any. I think one extra this is coming. You can remove it.
Yeah.
One, see, red one is coming. Now run and see. We'll run and see. Yeah. Can you see the difference now?
Yeah.
Instead of nan, what came? 0.
The values have been put. Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. So this was about pivot. And one more thing is there, pivot table.
Yeah.
So it is almost the same. It is just that you are doing it on a tabular this thing. I mean, some tabular data. But almost all the commands, everything will remain same.
Okay. Yeah.
To do it or something like that, then you can tell me. So instead of pivot, you can use pivot underscore table. That's all.
Okay.
So there's no such differences, but still, if you feel something like that, you can just take it up and we can move ahead, right? Okay, now the last thing which is left is, I think, sorting.
Ma'am, I think we did sorting, right?
Sorting we did? Okay. then it's great. So I think the axis wise, ascending, descending, all those, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So your pandas is over. You can just read it out in case you feel something is missing, something which I have not covered, or we were too fast in it. You can ask me, ma'am, can you teach this topic to me? We will cover it up. But from my side, I have covered almost everything.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So what is your work now, Madhumita?
Practice, ma'am.
Yes, first thing is practice, plus try, since it's your 12th, no?
Yeah.
Try to solve all, I mean, only NCRT. You will cover everything in that.
Yes.
NCRT is something which generally covers everything. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now, shall we move to our this one, visualization part?
Yeah, ma'am. We can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So yes, so you can just change this to pivot.